Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the KEF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 3, Simba 1. I'm joined by Chris and Ruben.
Nazo-ke Mr. Sithibo siyabonga kakhulu for leli thuba Mr. Sithibo. Before siqhubeka Mr. Sithibo ngifuna ukukhuluma something just for a second Mr. Sithibo. When I look at my times Mr. Sithibo is already to 9. You are still here doing what you do best. That shows that you respect your fans Mr. Sithibo. May God bless you for that hustles. Phambili. Mr. Sithibo, when a king enters into a room Mr. Sithibo, there is something that happens all the time. What happens when a king enters? Mr. Sithibo, he gets his crown. Mr. Sithibo, they give him his crown. When they are done giving him his crown, Mr. Sithibo, they give him his seat. Then he declares everything. So Mr. Sithibo, I am here to officially declare the beginning of the KEF Confederations group stages. It may now begin with a team that will represent the whole nation, Mr. Sithibo. Now that the real team is in, and the other part I won't talk about it. It was just a shadow that we needed, Mr. Sithibo. You know exactly. So, Mr. Sithibo, now I officially open the stage. Everyone can enjoy the KEF. Chris, what do you say?
Sithibo. Yes, angine voice namhlanje ngicula. Ngijabule ngakhona. Sithibo, bengihappy ngakhona. Angazi ukuthi umuntu wase Cape Town ungizwile ukuthi bengihappy or kanjani. Sithibo, I was happy today. Sithibo, it took 25 minutes to score 3 goals. But I won't mention any name, but some. It took 90 minutes to score those 3 goals.
They know.
But Kenabaphela kuphi? Only losing point. What was the use to score 3 goals
and go out?
Sithibo.
And go out.
Sithibo, bengihappy ngakhona. Kube nje ngibiza ukhila. Azongimemezela. Amemeza batshele bonke athi bafethu.
Ngale voice yakhe.
Sila Dobson V. Dobson V gave us 3 goals today.
Yes.
And nakhona noma kule 3 goals. Noma ngathatha igoli elilodwa. Ngibanikeze. Still nguphi? I'm going forward. Sithibo. Angizi ukuthi understand kanjani. Noma ngalithatha igoli lelo gcina. Ngithi ngiyabanikeza. Ngisachubekela phambili.
Na kanjani?
Na kanjani?
It's guaranteed.
It's guaranteed.
Cool, Sithibo.
Mr. Sithibo. Besishota ngama-ball boys ne. Se abakhona. Baningi. Uyabona le 11 beyidlala ngale. Izofika everywhere la sidlala khona. Boza our boys, our ball boys.
Notito.
Ne. Basheshisa bafikisa bonke basheshe balifaka ibhola lapha
ngoba la siyakhona
bakhona
Sithibo
babonile amakuntwana mabaphuma makuphuma isimba namakuntwana alandelelana akashi siyabuza bebasefunani lana
bebakhona
masivale lapha Mr. Sithibo.
I won't forget Sithibo bekuyilanga lokuthi I remember Mr. Senzo Meyiwa mabazomthathela life yakhe on this day. May he still continue to rest in peace. He was our best keeper. Keeper wethu ozayo. Ngisenda ama condolences to ifamily. Kuwonke umuntu kuma fans we Pirates. May he still rest in peace Mr. Sithibo. I thank you. Bathi Senzo Meyiwa Senzo Meyiwa Ay
sirinda ngase
asibonge mfethu
bestinga le voice yakakhile yamakhwaya
suka